Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Pooja Singh. I'm a BMS doctor and currently working with Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. Today we are going to talk about eczema and its holistic management. So, the term eczema is derived from a Greek word meaning in the boil. It refers to an inflammation of the skin which results in the formation of vesicles or pustules. So, it is the most common and most troublesome of all skin diseases. Eczema is essentially a constitutional disease resulting from a toxic condition of the system. The disease covers a wide range of forms, the majority of them being of a chronic variety. Symptoms: eczema in its acute form is indicated by redness and swelling of the skin, the formation of minute vesicles, and severe heat. If the vesicles rupture, a raw, moist surface is formed. From this, a colorless discharge oozes, which forms skin crust when it accumulates. The disease is usually worst at night when the heat of the body is retained by the bedclothes. The skin itches at all stages. In the wet stage, it becomes infected with bacteria. The healing of the condition is affected by scratching in response to the irritation. Scratching not only spreads infection but also lengthens the stage of dryness and scaling. Causes: allergies plays an important part in causing eczema. Some women get eczema on their hands due to an allergy to soap or detergent used to wash clothes or dishes. Some persons develop it around the fingers when they wear rings because of allergy to metals. Researchers at the University of Texas Health Science Center at San Antonio, in a recent study of children with atopic eczema, found that 75% were allergic to a number of foods. The most common triggers for sensitive persons are egg, peanuts, chocolate, wheat, cow's milk, chicken, and potato. The real cause of eczema, however, is the failure of the human system to excrete the poisons from the various orifices of the body. Waste matter is excreted from the rectum through stools, from the bladder through urine, and the lungs through breath, and from the pores of the skin through sweat. Sometimes the pores of the skin are overworked as waste matter is not properly eliminated from the other orifices. If the pores are not given the chance to perform their normal function, the sweat will be full of morbid matter, and this gives rise to skin disease like eczema, acne, boils, and other eruptions. Other causes include faulty metabolism, constipation, nutritional deficiencies, and stress brought about by nagging spouses, jealousy, frustration, and a host of other emotions. Suppressive drug treatment of the formal disease is also a most potent subsidiary causing factors in many cases. The cure: skin applications to cure eczema may give a temporary relief. If the exudation is suppressed, some other more serious disease may develop. The best way to deal with eczema is to cleanse the bloodstream and the body. The treatment should start with a fast or on orange juice and water from 5 days, depending on the severity and duration of the trouble. Juice fasting will help eliminate toxic waste from the body and lead to substantial improvement. In some cases, the condition may worsen in the beginning of the fast due to an increased elimination of the waste matter through the skin. But as fasting continues, improvement will manifest itself. Fruits, salt-free, raw or steamed vegetables with whole meal bread or chapatis may be taken after the juice fast. Carrots and muskmelon are particularly beneficial. Coconut oil may be used instead of ghee. After a few days, curd and milk may be added to the diet. The patients may thereafter gradually embark upon a well-balanced diet of three basic food groups, namely: number one, seeds, nuts, seeds and grains; nuts and grains. Number two, vegetables, and number three, fruit. The large portion of diet should consist of raw foods, seeds, and beans such as alfalfa, moong, and soybean can be sprouted. This diet may be supplemented with cold pressed vegetable oils, honey, and yeast. Juice fasting may be repeated at intervals of 2 months or so, depending on the progress being made in the chronic and more difficult cases of eczema. Patient should fast at least once a week till he is cured. The patient should avoid tea, coffee, alcoholic beverages, and all condiments and highly flavored dishes. He should also avoid sugar, white flour products, denatured cereals like polished rice and pearled barley, and tinned with or bottled food. He should eat only pure and wholesome food. Thank you.